Welcome to the Ghost Sniper channel, and I go by the name Ghost Sniper. And today in this video we are going to be breaking down USDC chart to see and follow the analysis that I shared the previous week, and to see how the signal that I also gave in the groups to see how the signal performed. Okay, so getting into the chart, as you see here, we have the market structure breaker there, and we also have a swing failure up there. Okay, so a swing failure, this swing we're expecting, because price was going up, creating new higher highs, going up. We're expecting this swing to be going up to give us a new high. Instead, price failed and shot down to give us a new uh, lower low. So this to us gave us a signal of the market structure shift, the shift in market structure. And this here was our equal highs. So the equal highs were signaling liquidity lying above, right? So price came to grab liquidity and then went down to go and create a new higher high. Okay, so as you can see from here, price was giving a structure and expecting price to be going up, and then it went up. So we're expecting price from this area to go up. Instead, price went down. So we are going to, you would have to counter attack the area there for the sales. And if you missed the sell there, it's not a problem. You didn't really have to panic at that time. So now what we have is here is our order block here, and in this order block we have the mitigation on this side. Okay, so let me reduce this so it can be clear. So from there, what we have, or what price give us, was price give us another structure breaker down here. Price give us another structure breaker down here, and price give us what looked like liquidity grab up there, right? So as price grabbed the liquidity, it gave us an order block. After that order block was the reason why price gave us a new lower low, right? That is the base, or the cause, the base of cause. Yes, that is the base of cause. It caused price to go down and create a new lower low. This base caused price to go and give us a new lower low, right? And then price came back, price came back to mitigate the order block there, and then again price, and then again price, and then again price broke the structure here, as you can see. And from there, this is where, this is the base that I gave a signal from. And as you can see, price came to the cause. This base is the cause of the new lower low, right? So this base is where we sold the market going down, and initially we were targeting this area here, but price didn't reach the area there. But obviously we would have taken our profits somewhere around here as price was accumulating. Okay, and as you can see from the screenshot, this is the screenshot I shared in the groups, and the signal that I gave, As you can see, price reversed from somewhere around here, not reaching our take profit, but we would have took profits with our trailing stop, right? uh, let's move on to another pair. Moving on to another pair, going to focus on another pair, which is USD and how it performed. Okay, so from our, we're going to begin from the daily chart, and as you can see from the daily chart, price respected the structure from there, and that is our significant base up there. That is our significant base, and let's zoom in so that you can see. And as you can see, price broke the structure from here, going down. Sorry about that. Price broke the structure there, giving us a new lower low, right? Price broke the structure there, giving us a new lower low. I'm going to go to a smaller time frame again. Let's fix here. Yes. Okay, so price gave us a new lower low there. So this is our market structure, and we have our medium structure broken here. We have a medium broken structure here. So this base area is the one that caused this structure breaker, right? So what do we have from there? We have equal highs from here, and you can also see that there's a liquidity grab from up there, right? The liquidity grab, is a buy stop liquidity, right? And the buy stop liquidity was grabbed from there, and the price quickly moved down to go and break structures. As you can see, broken structure, broken structure, broken structure, and this structure here was broken by this area here, right? So what do we have there? We also have our liquidity, which is hidden here, and this is going to go like in my lessons. I give the lesson of weak trick, uh, but they're going to face the liquidity there, and this is where we would be expecting to take our trade for sell, right? This would be a sniper entry, and I would have taken the entry there, going down the sell. Okay, so this one here, we'll be taking our profit down here. Okay guys, okay, in the next video I'm going to do two other pairs, which is Euro CHF and Euro GBP. Okay, see you in the next few minutes.